My name is Patrick Springer. I'm from Southwest Missouri, a little town called Aurora, Missouri. It's not far from Springfield. I did my undergrad at Missouri State University. I got a degree in criminology and I also have a degree from Southwest Baptist University for nursing. I originally went to school to pursue, I didn't really know what I wanted to do when I first started college. I just knew that I wanted to be in a profession that helps people. Nursing was originally appealing to me because it did just that. You were hands-on, you were helping people, and so that's kind of why I chose to get into nursing to begin with. As far as the criminology degree, I chose to start studying that once I had gotten into the nursing profession. I started to realize that maybe I could pursue this fascination I had with our nation's laws, its history, and so there I went for criminology, and here I am. Well, I actually ended up on this path after working as a nurse, after I had started encountering the patients that I worked with. I worked in an ICU for 2 years, and then I worked in mental and behavioral health for a year. And specifically, I dealt with a lot of, I called it basically damage control. I dealt with a lot of patients that were suffering from the result of bad decisions. And so as I was dealing with all these things, it was kind of a hopeless cycle that I noticed going on. It was a very pervasive problem, and it continued to happen. And so I thought, maybe I can use my interest in our legal system to maybe affect change in a more permanent way. Being in the hospital, first off, it opens your eyes to really how short our life is. I know that sounds kind of deep, but it really does give you appreciation for the time that we have here. And in mental and behavioral health, I saw a lot more in regards to just the whole plethora of problems that these people dealt with. We dealt a lot with drug addiction and use of behavioral health, and seeing that problem and just the absolute pervasiveness of it kind of opened my eyes to just how bad some of these societal problems we have are. What really did it for me as far as coming to KU is concerned, it really boiled down to the people that were here. Just meeting with the staff, listening to career services talk about the loyalty that very much exists here with KU alum really kind of drew me in and showed me that when I graduate from here, I'm going to be a part of a very close-knit community of KU law grads. I'm really interested in traffic court. Because, I know it sounds silly. I've been in a courtroom before, but I've never really been in the proceedings and the nitty-gritty of a court procedure. So I'm looking forward just to kind of getting in there and just being in the air of a proceeding, so to speak, even if it's a minor traffic ticket. As far as just leisurely activities, I'm a pretty big music guy. I enjoy just, being in law school. I found that when I have leisure time, I like to truly leisure and not really do much of anything. So to me, a good time outside of classes is just sitting back, listening to good music, and trying to calm the mind.